Alright guys, you guys want me to do analysis on HOLO? It's one of the most requested videos. Yeah, it's the same thing, guys, to me when I'm looking at this, when I keep playing this. Every time this thing pumps, you just gotta understand, it's gonna get dumped. Where did this want to go? To a T, hit the EMA 50, and it goes down. I've seen too many people wanting to buy HOLO up in here, and it just goes down and makes new lows and probably do a reverse split and so on. So you want to get in HOLO when it has this massive EMA 20 TD. I love to tell people this, but you got to be patient. Once this touches this EMA 20, price will look to reject down. Once it touches this 50, will look to reject down. But I don't want to be buying it on this 20, buying it on this EMA 50. Everything about this is a massive downtrend on this stock. So it's not one of my most favorite. We went from 50 million volume and now we're sitting at 6 million, okay? So as you can see for this one, it's just a slow, it's just a downtrend forever and forever and forever with little pops. Yes, you can get these massive rallies that it has done. I mean, we have seen them. But trying to predict those rallies is almost near impossible. The only thing we can predict is that reversion to the mean. If we don't touch this EMA 20 in 2 months, it is considered really long. And what we happen is price heads on up to that. So what I like to do is I like to look for a low K value on this KDJ. I like to look for price under the EMA 5. That way I have room up to the 10 and 20. If I'm buying it right up in here, I need to see that this acts as support. If this does not act as support, you better believe it, we're making new lows. All right, I've seen this story too many times with HOLO and with any penny stock. So this is a make it or break it. We came back, broke out of this pattern right up in here. Do we hold this area of support on these EMAs? If it doesn't, it's really bad. I would look to exit the position. I don't care if you bought this at $9. All right, lesson learned, don't buy it at an EMA 50 resistance or EMA 20 resistance, So we're starting to see some kind of curl here. We see the 5 at the top, but obviously the longer term, the 50 is still way up here. We need a massive pump to really change the direction of this trend. Now, I already told you guys what pennies I liked. Gibo, I learned that and it went up over 100% in my late other videos. Lots of my big cap stocks have been making massive money. All right, my day trades, I alerted NVIDIA. That pumped up 80% today. All right, all these that I alerted in the Discord have made massive money. My day trade alerts, I did credit spreads every day. I show you guys how to do these so you can be consistent traders instead of just hoping HOLO does that massive 1000% runner while you're just like, just waiting on that for over a year, and then by the time you get it, you probably have tons of reverse splits that happened on you. So I will post in the Discord my favorite plays, guys. I'll let you guys know in the premium chat on like some of the higher risk stuff you guys want to play those penny stocks. But definitely join the Discord if you want. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. It doesn't mean you're a member yet. All you have to do is click how to subscribe right here and hit that day trade alerts. Guys, I've been trading for over 7 years. These strategies that I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. It works. It's consistent. There's no guesswork. Reversion to the mean always happens. And that's the strategy I look to teach. So watch the swing trading education videos. Watch the day trading education. Join in the live streams. Let's change this to be a full-time that you guys can do it. Anyone can do this, but you got to have the right strategies and to be consistent. All right, guys. So I hope you guys learned a lot. I'll be there in the Discord. I'll be live for you guys if you guys need any help. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you have an Android, you will have to use your computer. If you need any help, reach out in the free chat. I'll be there to help you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.